that?
Guess.
Babe. Oh, I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
I've been waiting for you since.
Oh, babe, it's traffic now.
The traffic.
Yeah, I was stuck up with traffic.
Oh my God. How are you now?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh, you're not looking bad.
Thank you so much. I've really missed you.
I missed you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got something for you.
You got something for me?
Yes, now.
I wasn't expecting anything.
You know Valentine is coming now, so I got something for you.
Yes. Okay. Let me see it now.
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yes, close your eyes. It's your surprise. Close your eyes.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Close your eyes.
Up my GM for you now, eh? The guy gets rid of that place. You not go believe. They didn't let it big.
Okay.
I should open my eyes.
Yeah, open your eyes.
A phone. For me.
Calm down. Hold it first.
Jesus, I wasn't expecting this, babe. This is too much now.
Too much.
Hey.
That's not all.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Babe,
Oh, calm down. That's not all.
are you serious?
Yeah.
Mommy!
Watch.
Watch!
Yeah, baby.
This is expensive watch now.
Oh, baby, I can do anything for you.
You can't be doing all these things for me now. It's too much.
You're my man. Why can't I do it?
You don't need to be doing all these things now, babe.
That's not all.
Are you
I got
serious?
another one for you.
I wasn't expecting all this, so...
Yeah. You could see some dollars.
No, babe. Where did you get dollars from?
You know I can do anything for you, baby.
Good, babe. This is too much now.
I can do anything for you.
Too much. Wow.
I know you'll be thirsty.
Yes,
I
I'm
got to
thirsty.
drink. I know you like it.
Babe, why are you doing all these things for me now? Thank you so
When
much.
the man they fire this woman, they give her better way.
I'm tasty. So it's a dream.
I took him in a dream.
Let her drink now.
It's a dream.
Which one is a dream? Are you not the one shouting my hair, as if your hair wants to burst? Take and drink.
Why are you giving me medicine now? What's wrong with me
After
now?
now you say I'm not taking care of you. Take and drink.
No, now. What about the phone?
Which phone?
The watch? What about the dollars?
Which? What? How are you mad?
No, the phone, the watch, the dollars.
Take her here. Bring that check. Wait, sit down here.
No, what about the phone? The
Which
phone?
phone?
The watch and the
Just bring
dollars.
that. Bring it. No.
What's happening now? Why are you telling me now?
Let me go and go that man. Jesus.
What about the phone, the watch,
I don't tell me what. Who give you watch and phone?
the dollars?
Who give you that?
Okay, it's good. Take.
No, I'm not sick now. Why are you giving me
You're
medicine?
shouting your head.
No, why are you giving me medicine now? The phone, the watch and the dollars.
Jesus. Which watch and dollar? Who give you watch and dollar?
Jesus.